In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get multiple versions of MetaTrader form platform, trading platform, running side by side in your computer, or in my particular case here, a VPS. This is a screen share of my VPS, and as you can see, all these icons here are different versions of MetaTrader 4 platform downloaded onto this VPS, and they can run side by side. You can see over here I've got some live funded prop accounts here. I've got some personal accounts here running different brokers. I've got accounts with phase 1 of the prop firm challenge on there, and look at this strategy tester here. I run one from strategy tester. These are all my demo accounts, all different brokers, so you've got effectively unlimited as long as your VPS will take it, and you can run them side by side. There's an example down the bottom here. I've got prop challenge going on here and a live account as well. So that's just an example how you can run them side by side. So how do you do all this? Well, first of all, go to any broker. All the main brokers will offer you the ability to run demo accounts on their platforms. They want your business. I've used several. I've got one I use quite often is AxiTrader. I've had a live account with them for well over 10 years, so I use them often as well. Another account company I use is Global Prime. But any broker you want, just go to their demo page where you can download their demo trading platform, and you need to download on that computer, and that's where this video will take it from, what I'm going to show you next. So I've got a folder set up called AxiTrader. Go in there, and I'm going to click this MT4 setup. This is the installation program for MetaTrader. You'll have a slightly different splash screen depending on what broker you're going with, and you do not click on next here. First of all, you click settings, and effectively it's easy. All you do is see this folder here where you're going to put it. Rather than let it be the default one, name it something unique. I'm going to put MT4 MT4 demo test 001. I'll just call it that. So then I click next, and it's going through the installation process. We'll just wait till that finishes. It doesn't take too long. Close down that directory window while we're waiting, and then just click finish. It'll automatically open it up, and you can see it's dropped an icon on my desktop. That's a new icon there. And when it starts up, it just takes a while. Instantly, a good thing you can do is basically rename it. Like you see, all these ones are renamed here. So rename the link. Say this is Axi Demo 001. So I've renamed it so I memorize which one that's. It's now starting up. VPS is a bit slow this morning, got some testing. And what you do now, you want to create a demo account. So you clicked on the demo server there, click next, basically new demo account, leave it like that, do that, click the parameters, set up the parameters for the type of account you want. I'll do it as a US dollar, I'll do a US dollar pro here. I'll say that I'm 100,000 there, and I'll leave that. I agree to that. Click next. Next page, it's giving you login details, password, and investor. You can copy all those down, particularly if you want to connect this to my FX book, where you can see the stats for the demo account that you're creating, and just press finish. And once it's done, go on the trade thing. I've created a demo account for 100,000 there. Now, and what you do for if you want to create another one, I'll close this one down. Remember, this one's there. I'm going to drag this link here. If you want to do it again, open that up again, run MT4, settings, effectively in this bit here, you put a unique name. So you can put MT4 demo 002. Just a unique directory, and go through all that. I'm not going to do it again, but that's it, and you'll get another. Just cancel that. Effectively, you get another installation, and you'll get another shortcut dropped on your desktop, and just rename it to be something else. And anytime you want to go into it, double click that, and you've got a brand new fit platform where you can basically run your tests or do your manual trading on for trying something out. So that's how you install multiple versions of MT4 trading platform onto your computer.